How to send a musical message in Rednote. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to send a musical message in Rednote. So let's dive right in. First things first, open Rednote app. Once you are on your home page, tap the plus button. This is usually centered at the bottom of the screen. It opens up the content creation screen. Now you can record a new video or you can just upload one from your gallery. Let me upload from the gallery. Now once you upload from your gallery, at the top you can see choose music. Tap it to open the Rednote's music library. Now from here, select a track. Now browse or search for a song. You will see many categories included right here. Scroll through it, or you can also go to library, tap on library, and you can go for the suggested music right here. Now tap to preview and then again like this. Now once you are happy with it, simply tap on apply, and just like that your music will be applied to your video or photo. You can also add text overlays from here like this. You can edit it furthermore by adding colors to it. You can also add filters to it from here like this. You can also add stickers to it from here like this. Now once you are done, you can simply tap on next, and you can add a title, a message, emojis, or you can also add hashtags to it like this. You can choose to post publicly, or you can send it privately to a friend, or you can just make it visible to the selected users by tapping it here, and just like that you can post it. That's it. That's how you send a musical message in Rednote. Super easy and simple. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more video tips. Thank you for watching.